The 5-axis Gantry Machining Center is CNC equipment for advanced manufacturing. The distance between the two columns is 2,000 millimeters. 5-axis simultaneous operation. The maximum tool diameter is 578. The length is 300 millimeters. The spindle speed is 18,000 revolutions per minute. It is equipped with a high-precision transmission system, guide rails, and measurement feedback devices. A high-precision infrared alignment instrument ensures processing efficiency. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metalworking solutions.